Okay, I read your annual reports, and I know that car insurance makes up your biggest amount of complaints. And just judging, by the way, from the kinds of emails I get, car insurance, very, very contentious. What makes car insurance such a contentious issue, or that it's something that you get so many complaints about?
I think it's driven by the fact that most policies in the market sold to the public are motor vehicle insurance policies. It's really just that.
A volumes game.
It's volumes. So most of our complaints are generated from claims that get rejected. So the more policies there are in the market, the more claims, the more complaints. That's generally been the trend. Motor vehicle insurance is the prevalent product in the market when it comes to, public consuming that type of product.
And one of the complaints I actually quite often get, and I think I want to use this as an opportunity for education as well, is the insured value. So somebody crashes their car, it's been written off, and they get told, oh no, we're only paying out 100,000, but they're saying, but my car was worth 150,000. Do you get that kind of complaint quite regularly?
Absolutely, yeah. We classify them as quantum complaints. So when there's a claim, it's been accepted by the insurer, then it becomes a debate about the value of my vehicle. Upfront, policyholders are asked, what do you want to insure your vehicle for? You can insure for market, retail, and it's really for the insured to decide because it's premium driven as well. Retail being the highest value, you'll pay a higher premium. Market being the lower value, you'll pay a lower premium. So as long as the insurer explains the difference and how that is linked to the premium, then there shouldn't be debates about it. But then it comes to questions like, oh, but you didn't insure your accessories on the vehicle, so now we can't pay for the accessories, or they weren't insured for the correct value. So those types of issues we deal with, yes, on an ongoing basis.
And shortfall insurance, that's the other one. So your car is financed, and what people don't realize, by the way, I must just tell the listeners, is that as you drive the car out the dealer, it devalues significantly, right? So even the retail value of that car has dropped, but you still owe a lot of money on it. And your car's written off, and the amount that the insurer pays out versus what you owe the bank, there's a difference. And unless you've taken a specific insurance for that, you have a shortfall.
Absolutely. And then the shortfall policy is also subject to terms and conditions. The shortfall policy, for example, won't cover the excess that you pay under your main policy. The shortfall policy doesn't cover balloon payments or other types of arrangements. So people go in thinking any shortfall will be covered, but it's not the case. You've got to read the terms and conditions of the shortfall policy because there are also limitations that apply there.
I did not know that it didn't cover balloon payments as well.
No.